Have you ever come across something and it just felt right? It felt like you were in the right place at the right time? If you're like most people who came here before you, you're about to discover something profound, something magical that has a real potential to change the rest of your life for the better. You see, the message you're about to hear tends to come into people's lives just in the right time. And for those that are ready, it changes their business, results, it changes their lives. I don't know how you found this message, but I believe that if you're looking for a real breakthrough, a real change in your business, a real change in your life, this message has found you. Like many others before you, you're about to see for yourself that you are in the right place at the right time.
Hands down, the best training there is.
This has changed my life, not only for me, but for my family as well.
Hey, check out them birds, huh? Pretty awesome. They're free. They're flying wherever they want to fly. They're doing whatever they want to do. Let me ask you a question, my friend. How awesome would it be for you as an entrepreneur to be able to have true freedom in your business, in your results, in your income, in your life? How awesome would it be for you to really be able to create, I'm not just talking theory here, to create the good life that you always wanted for yourself and for your family?
It's working. It's amazing. It's only been 14 days and I'm so pumped.
My name is Vic Strisius. If we have never met, I would invite you to check out what we had just created and released to the world. It is on fire. It's called the 4% Challenge. Listen, hundreds of thousands of people already in, and people are absolutely transforming their lives. If you're somebody who is sick and tired of information overload, theory and complexity, if you're just not getting the results you want, you keep buying product after product after product, you're going to event after event after event, and you're just tired of it, and you want a clear, simple path that you can follow with a daily guide that literally tells you exactly what to do. Okay, today you do this, this, this. Tomorrow, this, this, this. Tells you specific action steps to follow and shows you how to do that. Check out the 4% Challenge. This program has been created specifically for people like you. This will be the most transformational program you will ever experience in your life. I promise you, there is nothing like it. You'll be able to get your freedom like those birds out there.
Pretty much wake up every day excited and can't wait to get into the next session.
Vic is teaching us how to change our minds, change ourselves to be better.
It's amazing. I get results, and I'm sure if I continue following the step-by-step videos, I will get much further.
My goodness, I have in 14 years online, we just released the 4% Challenge, and let me tell you something. I have never seen so much transformation and so many success stories coming from the 4% Challenge in the 14 years on the internet that I have been online and seeing all these other programs. I would like to invite you to check it out. I would like to invite you to become a member and experience it for yourself. Let me tell you something. So what we did is, over the last 14 years, I have seen a lot on the internet. And if you have been trying to succeed online for any period of time, you probably can relate. There's two things in common. That's what we have found. There's a lot of theory, a lot of complexity, right? You get information overload and you don't know what to do first, second, third, what's working, what's not working, what's good, what's not good. How do you create success in your life, right? And so what we did is we decided to create a program that is unlike anything else in existence. We're calling it the 4% Challenge, and it's just released to the public, to the world, and it's sweeping the world with successes. And I'd like to invite you to become a part of it and experience it for yourself. Let me show you something. Take a look at my screen. So about an hour ago, I posted this in our group. See, it says 58 minutes ago, right? I posted in the group. I said, hey everybody, are you part of the 4% Challenge? If so, what do you think? Look, these are real people. Okay, let me just go ahead and open up more comments. There's like hundreds and hundreds of comments here. Okay, look. Yes, love it every session. Most amazing transformational training. This is the best program ever. Okay, best guided system ever. Okay, absolutely the best training for entrepreneur to build a business with. Okay, best. None of this, and I repeat, none of this information and knowledge contained within the challenge is taught in the most expensive of traditional educational institutions. This is literally $1 million education, okay? These are real people talking. So my friend, as you can see it here, I can go on and on and on and on and on. By the way, in a moment here, I'm going to show you the system that is built on. It's called the 4% ecosystem. I'm going to talk to you about that in just a moment here. So take a look at this. I'm not here to try to convince you or to sell you on anything. This is a complete and utter no-brainer, right? Take a look at what's going on this page, read some of the testimonials, take a look at what people just like you are saying. It is impossible to fake this stuff. This is the most transformational program you will ever experience. It will teach you how to go from zero to create your first breakthrough to where you generate $10,000, okay? And then it will teach you what to do to 10x that amount. And then 10x that amount again. There's 3 levels to the challenge, right? So if you have never made a dime on the internet, or if you're somebody who has been struggling for years and years and years, if you have been praying for a miracle, you got it right here. It's called the 4% challenge. Give it a try, right? The way this program is set up is it's a step-by-step daily guidance system that's built in a very specific way to help you transform as a human being, to help you reprogram yourself for success. And money that we're talking about here, $10,000, $100,000, $1 million, although that might sound like a lot of money to a lot of people, money is a byproduct. Money is not even the goal here. Yes, a lot of people are making money, but money will be there by default if you do certain things in a certain way as an entrepreneur. I'm going to make you 2 promises. Promise number 1, start the program right now for yourself. You can become a charter member at a discount if it's still available. You can see that information below this video. But start this program for yourself. In 5 days, if you don't feel like this is the most powerful, most transformational program you have ever experienced in your life as an entrepreneur, you will not have to pay a penny. You'll get 100% refund, okay? It's impossible for you to lose. Promise number 2, go through the program for 30 days. And if you don't physically, after 30 days, if you don't physically feel completely different person, if you don't change the way you think, if you don't get yourself reprogrammed and rewired for success, and you don't physically feel it, let us know. We'll refund every penny you have ever put into the program. Deal? Listen, it is impossible for you to fail. You have 0 excuses, you have 0 obstacles right now between you and the good life that you desire. Look, if I can help you create results in your business, if I can help you create and generate the kind of income that you want, what is it for you? Is that $5,000 a month? Is that $10,000 a month? Is that $150,000 a month? I teach people who are complete beginners how to create massive breakthroughs, and then I teach people that are making 6 figures how to go to 7 figures, and then 7-figure earners how to go to multiple 7-figure earners. I promise you, I can help you succeed. I've been doing this for 14 years. This is the best, most powerful program in existence, and now you can be available to you right now. Okay, so go ahead and give it a shot. Let me show you something else. And lastly here, so take a look at this screen here. See, it's not about me making all the money or whatever, right? I want you to see what real people just like you. See this right here? This is the affiliate column. Pay attention to this column as I scroll, okay? You see all these different affiliate IDs. These are people who are part of the program. All these different affiliate IDs. This is what's called an ecosystem that you can be part of right now, literally 10 minutes from now. Look, I'm gonna keep on scrolling. Look, see it for yourself, okay? Results speak for themselves. This is unlike anything else, and look, there's 1,000 of them, okay? And there is page 2 and page 3. There was 3,000 results just this month from people just like you getting real results in their business. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and create yourself an account now. I'll see you inside. God bless.
It's 10 below, and I'm so fired up that I can stand out here and tell you that the challenge works.
The way you think has a lot to do with getting to the next level of your success.
The training is set up to build you as an entrepreneur for success.
Honestly, it's the best program I've ever seen. I'm so excited.
This will guide you to your path of freedom.
It's step by step, it takes you by the hand, and it really lays it all out for you.
Take the first step, have faith, have fun, and you will see the results you want.
Don't wait. Go into the challenge.